In this video, I will be detailing how to use the Alert Rules tab on Vizzysite, showing you how to create a new rule, modify an existing rule, add or modify alert emails and phone numbers, as well as highlighting some of the other useful features provided on the Alert Rules tab. Creating a new alert rule. To create a new rule, click on Add New Rule, which will be located below and to the left of your existing rule list. First, name your rule. Second, we allow you to create a custom rule for any resource we display on the Device tab. Conditions in which the resources will alert you will vary depending on the resource. Third, select the alert accounts you would like to notify when your new rule becomes active. Lastly, click on the Save icon to save your new rule. You will need to confirm your save to finalize the save process. Now let's go through a couple examples. Example 1. For our first example, I want to receive a notification when my auxiliary contact is closed. First, I will click on Add New Rule. Next, I'm going to name this rule Aux Contact State Rule. I am going to select Auxiliary Contact State under the Resource drop-down list. Then, under the Condition drop-down list, I will choose Is. Under the Value drop-down list, I will choose Closed. Since I only want a text for this rule, I will uncheck all the boxes except the one for my phone. Finally, I'll click Save and confirm my rule is ready to go. This rule will send me a text message anytime my auxiliary contact state changes from open to closed. It will not send a message when the state changes back from closed to open. Example 2. For our second example, I would like to receive a notification when the measured temperature falls below 50 degrees. First, I will click on Add New Rule. Next, I am going to name this rule Temp Below 50 Degrees. I will select Temperature under the Resource drop-down list and choose Is Less Than under the Condition drop-down list. Next, I will type 50 into the value box. This time, I want the rule to alert both my email and phone, so I make sure both boxes are checked. Another cool thing is I can add notes to any rule in this box. I will explain why I want this rule by writing "worried about the cat freezing." Once I click Save and Confirm, my rule is ready to go. This rule will send me a text and email anytime the temperature falls below 50 degrees. It will not send any messages when the temperature rises above 50 degrees. Modifying an existing rule. What if we wanted to edit our temperature rule so it alerts us when the temperature is above 45 degrees? No problem. I'll click on the rule to expand it and then click Edit. First things first, I will update the name to reflect how my new rule works. The resource will stay the same, so I will simply change the condition to Is Greater Than and replace 50 with 45. Also, I would like to add my HVAC guy to get notified when this happens. His number is not on my list here. No problem. Save your changes so you don't lose them. Then, click on Add Modify Alert Account here. You will be redirected to this page. Click on the Add Alert Account. I will type in Joe's HVAC. Joe gave me his email, so I'll make sure to have email selected in the type field. Then type his email address here. Click on Save and Confirm. Then navigate back to your Alert Rule tab for your device. Find our rule and click Edit. Now, select Joe's HVAC as an alert account. Then click Save and Confirm. We have successfully edited this rule. Silencing an alert rule. Vizzysite offers 3 ways to silence alert notifications: snooze, disable, and delete. First, we will snooze an alert rule with the bell on the far right side. If we click snooze, it gives us an explanation of what will happen. As you read, it tells us that the rule will not produce any alerts for 24 hours. This may be useful if you are going to be performing maintenance on a system and do not want to be spammed with texts or emails. After you confirm you want to snooze the alert rule, the bell icon will change to this. You can undo this action by clicking the icon again. The second way to silence alert notifications is to disable the rule. We can do that by clicking on the Enable Disable slide switch. By doing this, you will stop the rule from alerting you indefinitely. To re-enable the rule, simply click on the Enable Disable switch again. Note the rule's current status to the right of the switch. The last way to silence an alert rule is to delete it permanently. To do this, click the rule to expand it, click the Delete button, and then confirm. The rule is now gone. Default rules. By default, there will always be rules already created for you. You are not allowed to delete them or edit their conditions, but you will be able to set your alert accounts. If an alert rule is not desirable, you can disable it by clicking the Enable Disable slide switch. This concludes our tutorial on using Vizzysite's alert rules. For more information on the products offered by Alderon Industries, please visit our website at www.alderonind.com.